What happened to your beard?
What's wrong?
What happened to your beard?
Where is it?
Share what?
Shaved it?
Yeah.
Is it missing?
Yeah.
Do you want it to come back?
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry. You still love me?
No.
Oh,
You beard.
you want my beard back? It's okay. Listen, I tell you what. I'm gonna grow it back, okay?
No.
I'm gonna grow it for you. I'm gonna grow it back. It'll be back before you know it, okay? Listen, next week I'll have my beard back and I'll have a full beard again, okay? Okay? Would that be okay?
No.
Would that be okay?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna grow it back just for you. Okay? Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we take a picture together?
Yeah.
Hey, we're not sad anymore. We're gonna grow this beard right back. Okay? Hey, baby girl.
¿Es papá? ¿Es papá, Miriam? ¿Quién es? ¿Papá? ¿Es papá? Mira. ¿Y papá? ¿Dónde está papá? ¿Y papá dónde está?